Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to enable mono audio in Windows 11. Mono audio can be very useful if you are experiencing hearing difficulties or if you want to ensure that the same sound plays in both ears. First, right-click on the Start icon located at the bottom. From the list that appears, click on Settings. This will open the main Settings menu. Next, in the Settings window, click on the System section. Click on Sound to access all audio-related settings. Then scroll down until you find the Mono Audio option. This setting ensures that all audio channels are combined into a single channel. Finally, toggle the Mono Audio switch to the ear-on position. Once enabled, your system will output the same audio to both the left and right speakers or headphones, providing a consistent listening experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.